1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC. Price: $24,750. Location: Philadelphia. The 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC is the kind of classic luxury coupe that instantly commands attention without ever trying too hard. Finished in astral silver metallic with a deep blue interior, this grand touring machine captures the elegance and confidence of the golden era of Mercedes-Benz design. With just over 54,000 original miles, this California car looks like it came straight out of a high-end European film from the 1970s. The long hood, chrome accents, and signature pillarless coupe design give the 450 SLC a presence that modern luxury cars simply cannot recreate. Unlike the convertible SL models, the fixed-roof C107 design adds a more aggressive and sophisticated personality. The quad headlights, Bosch fog lamps, and iconic bunt-style alloy wheels complete a look that still turns heads more than 50 years later. Everywhere this car goes, people stop and stare. The heart of this Mercedes is a fuel-injected V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering effortless power and a relaxed cruising experience. This is not just a car built for speed. It was engineered for crossing entire states in total comfort. Power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and Mercedes engineering excellence make every drive feel refined, stable, and incredibly smooth even by today's standards. The interior feels like stepping into a rolling luxury lounge from another era. Blue bucket seats, rich trim details, VDO gauges, a Becker Mexico radio, power windows, and a factory sunroof create a driving experience filled with vintage charm. The cabin has the unmistakable smell and atmosphere of a true classic Mercedes-Benz, reminding you of a time when luxury cars were built with craftsmanship first and technology second. The 450 SLC also carries a hidden motorsport legacy that many people forget. During the late 1970s, Mercedes-Benz entered the SLC platform into brutal long-distance rally competitions, proving the durability and strength of the C107 chassis under extreme conditions. That racing heritage gives this elegant coupe a layer of toughness beneath its luxurious appearance, making it far more than just a beautiful cruiser. The fact that this example comes with extensive documentation, factory literature, and over $13,000 in maintenance receipts makes it even more desirable for collectors and enthusiasts. Finding a classic Mercedes this clean, this original, and this well documented is becoming harder every year. At $24,750, this 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC offers timeless style, V8 power, and true European luxury in one unforgettable package.